Your Meta Quest 3 or 3S just got a major upgrade, and it's more than just making it a bit more pretty. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Horizon OS V81 is here, and it's turning your VR headset into something that feels more like an advanced digital lifestyle hub than just a gaming device. First, say goodbye to your old Horizon home. Meta's replaced it with a brand new ultra-detailed space featuring 4 scenic backdrops, a neon-drenched Horizon Central, a tranquil midnight plains under the northern lights, a sweeping valley landscape, and the surreal underwater oceanarium with roaming sea creatures in it. You can even decorate it with Instagram photos or videos using a new Instagram window. But this is more than just the visuals. Multitasking and productivity are getting a seat too. You can now anchor up to 6 browser or app windows, 3 in VR, 3 in mixed reality, so they stay exactly where you left them, even after diving into a game and returning. It's like having floating monitors in your personal Meta office. You'll also be able to launch PC VR games directly from your Quest library if you're using Quest Link, making your PC games feel native to your headset. And while Meta claims to support up to 12 active windows, maybe the functionality will upgrade too. More smart features are coming, like Quick Play, which lets you jump into VR games before they're fully downloaded. Meta AI is also getting better at voice commands, like lowering volume when you say something's too loud. With V81, Meta's blending productivity and customization like never before. Your Quest just leveled up, and it's time to explore your new digital universe. Where are you diving first? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.